There she is right there. Now we're just going to throw her back right down on here. Boom. Want to make sure that... What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Griddle Grub. Today we are going to make a BLT grilled cheese. Got some really good ingredients for this one. I mean, it's pretty basic ingredients. You know, got the bacon. Got to have the bacon. Some lettuce. I got a mayo, spicy mayo spread that I'm going to put on there instead of just plain mayo. We got some pepper jack cheese. You know I like that spice, so we're going to go with that pepper jack. And yeah, let's dive into some bacon. Alright, so here we got the bacon going on. Now this is some thick cut, center cut bacon. Right here, hardwood smoked. Right here we got some tomatoes. I don't know how much bacon I'm going to throw on here. I'm just going to get 5 pieces going. Go from there, see how it looks. And then yeah, we got the tomatoes right there. And we got some sauces. Let me get this glove off. So right here, this is the spicy sauce. Can't not wait to try that. And then we just got your standard mayo with garlic powder in there. No fresh garlic in it this time, just garlic powder. Now, my wife just brought up, maybe I should throw some everything bagel seasoning in the mayo, along with the garlic powder. Alright. Man, this stuff does not come out of here very well. So yeah, I'm just going to mix this stuff up in here. I love everything bagel seasoning. It's so good. I think it's going to go good on the outside for this toast. Yes, sir. Boom. Alright, now while we got this bacon cooking up, which it's probably almost halfway done, I'm going to get these tomatoes going. I'm going to give these a little sear. Ooh, listen to it. So I just got some, I didn't put any salt on them because of all the salt we're going to get out of the bacon. Get you right there. Boom. Grilled tomato, very good. Try it if you have not. Alright, bacon's cooking up good. Alright, let's see how we're doing on this tomato. Ooh, yeah, we got a nice little sear going on that. I love it. I love it. Alright, you know what? I think we're going to start toasting some bread. Bacon is pretty much done. Just going to leave that over there. You know what? I'm going to turn these 2 burners off. These 2 are on low. We've been at about 400 over here. So this is 360. So boom, I'm gonna take some of this spread or mayo, spread that along, get it all nice and good. So I couldn't decide how I was gonna do this because I don't want the lettuce to get all soggy. So I'm not sure. I think I'm just going to basically cook everything and then build it. And then I think I'm going to throw it back on the griddle and cover it to just melt the cheese. Make sure the cheese is nice and melted. I think that's what I'm going to do. Because don't nobody want no soggy lettuce. Boom. Toast that up. Alright, so I just took the tomatoes off. Those are done. You know what? Let's get this bacon off too. Oh, lost one. Throw that right over here. I love me some bacon. Alright, now we're good on this stuff. This bread is still not quite there. And I am using 100% whole wheat bread. The wife is making me do this. So, yeah, we got like another 60 seconds left on that. We'll flip them up. I'm going to just like 15-20 seconds on this other side just to get it nice and warm and just the beginnings of a crust forming. And yeah, we're going to build this thing. Oh, baby. It's time to build. Alright, here we go. This is going to be the bottom one because it's not quite as done as the other one. So we need to get some cheese. We got the pepper jack cheese right here. Got a couple slices of that. Come on, get out of here. All right, boom. Slice of cheese. Then we're gonna go with tomato. Ooh, boy. Man, these grilled tomatoes look and smell amazing. We're gonna put 2 on the top, 2 on the bottom. Ooh, nice and warm. All right. We're gonna throw the bacon on. We're gonna throw all the bacon on. I decided, had to make an executive decision. Bacon, bacon. Boom. Now, you know what? The lettuce is gonna go on. And I forgot the lettuce. All right. Let's get this lettuce on here. Man, we had a full bag of this iceberg lettuce. Used it last night, made some tacos. It's like already turning all brown. Can't even understand it. All right. Gonna dot that on there. You know what we're gonna do? Throw the spicy mayo on. Oh, baby. That's gonna be so good. All right, now tomatoes. Plop these 2 bad boys on here. Oh, yes. All right, and now cheese. 1 more piece of cheese. Put that bad boy on here. Whew, boy. Give it a little press. Get it together. Let's do this. There she is right there. Now we're just gonna throw her back right down on here. Boom. Want to make sure that the cheese gets nice and melted. Let's take a look. Still looks the same. All right. Oh, that cheese is melting. I don't know if you can see it in there, but it's starting to melt. Oh, that's that toast that I like. All right, I think we're ready to dive into this. Oh, baby. Look at you. All right, we're gonna dive into this. This looks so good. I can smell that chili garlic sauce in that mayo. That's how I made the spicy mayo. Did about a 1 to half ratio. I did 2 tablespoons of mayo and 1 tablespoon of this chili garlic. Oh, baby. Oh, it smells so good. That is delicious. Got just a light hint of that everything bagel. That bacon is nice and strong. I love that. That chili garlic is amazing. Amazing. Those tomatoes, so good. Big bite of tomato on that one. That was delicious. This is amazing. You guys need to try this. Other hash for the life. I might need a couple bites of that. All right, I'm gonna get in. I appreciate you guys coming along. Hit the thumbs up if you like the video. Let me know if there's something you want me to cook. And we'll see you on the next one. Thanks.